Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Have you ever looked at the ASUS ROG phone and wished you could get that awesome gaming look and feel on your own device? Well, if you have a rooted Android phone, today is your lucky day. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your device into an ASUS ROG Gaming Phone using a simple Magisk Module. It's a fantastic way to get that signature ROG experience without buying a new device. Basically, it's a Magisk Module that ports over many of the ROG phone's software features. The download link for the module is available in the video description below, so be sure to check that out. So, what does this module actually do? After you install it, it will replace your stock boot animation with the epic ROG boot animation. It also installs several official applications from the ROG phone, like Armoury Crate, to give you that gamer control panel. Plus, it overhauls the system fonts and the UI of the settings pages to match the ROG theme. Now, a quick heads up. I'm currently using CrDroid ROM on my device. For me, the boot animation, fonts, and apps changed perfectly, but the main UI of the settings page didn't change. Your results might vary depending on the Android version and the custom ROM you're running. As you can see, right now my phone has the standard CrDroid look, a clean UI, default fonts, and a simple boot animation. Let's change that. All right, let's get to the installation. It's super easy. Just make sure you've downloaded the module from the link in the description and have it saved on your phone's storage. First, open up your Magisk app. Tap on the Modules tab at the bottom right. Now, tap on the Install from Storage button at the top. This will open your file manager. Navigate to where you saved the downloaded zip file. For me, it's in my Downloads folder. Go ahead and select the module zip file. Magisk will now start flashing the module. You'll see a bunch of text run down the screen. Just wait for it to finish. It should only take a few seconds. Once it's done, you'll see a blue Reboot button appear at the bottom right. Go ahead and tap Reboot. And there it is! Look at that awesome new ROG boot animation. You can see the new system font. It's sharper and has that distinct gamer aesthetic. Let's check out the app drawer. And yep, here are the new ROG applications installed and ready to go. Now let's look at the settings. As I mentioned earlier, on my CrDroid ROM, the overall structure of the settings page hasn't changed, but you can see the new font is applied everywhere, which still gives it a fresh look. So there you have it, a complete ROG phone makeover in just a few minutes. It's a great way to spice up your device and get some cool new features. If you found this video helpful, please smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring that notification bell so you don't miss out on more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.